too clean. And it works. This one is magnificent, and I'm showing it to you outside. It is a Nerf 510 threaded Penjamin. It's maybe the the dart yard. I don't know. But yeah, it is fully functional. We got USB-C charging out the bottom. Nice little button here. And then you can, I made sure to give it nice clear windows there so you can see the button press or your blinks or what have you. So yeah, and it does, you saw it blinking. Now we screw it in, complete the connection, and let's see. Notice how it's no longer blinking. It is functioning. So we'll go ahead and prove that it works. This was a tight squeeze inside, but oh, when I say I love how it came out, it is